everyone. So I recently bought a new cover for my iPad. So basically I just got an iPad here and I decided to get a cover, and I got myself a cover which arrived 1 week ago, but I have yet to open it currently because I'm using another cover for my iPad. So I recently bought a new cover which is the ESR. So ESR actually is a company that I think I've used ESR cover before, which is really nice, and I decided to get another one for this new iPad because last time when I used the old iPad, it was I think iPad mini, so I used ESR cover as well for iPad mini and it holds pretty well. So I decided to get another cover from iPad for my new iPad, the iPad Pro. So this is the protective cover from ESR. Let's do a little bit of unboxing. Yeah, I did open a bit, but then I'm like, oh, okay, I'm not gonna open it and install it because I still have the current one here, so I don't want to open it and use it. So this is the one that I got is for the iPad Pro 12.9 inch in blue. They have multiple colors as well, not just blue. They have, I think, black and as well as green, as well as white, I think. So they have a few varieties of colors, but I decided to go with blue because I think it might be nice. I know it's the color that I like. So let's open it. So it comes in this very simple box and this in plastic, and you can see it's a very nice blue. It's like the one that is by Apple, like polyurethane cover and all that, but this one is this slightly cheaper version than the one that is officially sold by Apple. They are expensive, when it comes to buying something like this, the cover from Apple. So yeah, the quality is pretty nice, it's pretty smooth, and as you can see here, it comes with like all of these plates, which is really nice. It has this protective foam as well in the middle. As you can see, it has like a felt interior. You can see that here is very soft and smooth, like a felt cover, so that when you have your iPad on, so you won't like scratch your skins or anything like that. So your screen, scratch your screen or anything like that, because it has this soft felt materials inside, even at the back as well here. And since I'm buying this for iPad Pro 12.9, it has like it doesn't have any like clips onto it, so because everything is by magnets. So let me get my iPad here. So I have my iPad here. So as you can see, it's it has like a skin at the back. Even though I put skin at the back because of the pattern of this that I like, because I don't want to scratch my iPad. So let me put it on. So everything is magnetically snapped onto each other, so it's really nice. There's a bit of gap here. It doesn't really protect the side of your iPad, so that's why I have like a sticker around my iPad to cover the side of the iPad. But then yeah, but this cover is pretty slick. You see, it's not really thick because it doesn't cover the side, so it's just cover the front and the back. So that's why it's really sleek, and I think it's really nice as well. As you can look, it's just snapped together. It does have that sleep wake turn on thing, so when you take off the cover, I mean like when you open the flap or something, it does sleep turn on the iPad or off and all that. So it does like connect with like magnets, and then there's a cover on top of here to snap the two pieces together as well. So yeah, it's pretty nice. So if you have like an Apple Pencil, you can, because Apple Pencil for iPad Pro is just snap onto the iPad to charge, right? So you can just put it here on top here, and then it will like hold the Apple Pencil together, so that your Apple Pencil won't like fall off or gone, because that can be something of a hassle if you have like an Apple versions of it. It doesn't have something like this. It's just closed on the side, so it doesn't have any like this clap. So when your Apple Pencil is there, when you put it inside the bag or something, it might your Apple Pencil might fall off. So those are the things that the things that I saw reviews that people really like about this cover from ESR. So it has like a multiple ways as well. For example, if you open and flip the cover, it has like a 3 stages kind of a front cover here, so you can flip it and you know, like this, so you can like have it stand in a way, or you can have like it, you know, if you want, if you draw or something, then you can put it like this. So it has like a multiple use case scenario when it comes to this cover. But I think for the price, I would say it's a very nice cover for the price. I think the quality of it is really good. As the magnet is really strong as well. If you can see, you know, the magnet is pretty strong. It's not easily open, and for the back as well, I think it's not your iPad will easily fall off unless you want it to fall off from the cover, or you purposely take it out from the cover itself. But I think overall the magnet is quite nice, and it does protect my Apple Pencil at the same time. So if you want to check it out, you can check the link in the descriptions for the official website of ESR, and yeah, you can also buy it online or any kind of online store that you can find and search for ESR cover for your iPad. So yeah, go ahead and try and check them out if you're interested. So yeah, thank you, bye bye.